pineapple with lime and chili syrup. The ingredients: 100 grams of caster sugar, 100 ml of water, 3 red chilies, grated rind and juice of 1 lemon, 1 baby pineapple halved or quartered, cored and cut into wafer-thin slices. And this is what they will look like. Yum! Now let's get cooking. Put the sugar in a saucepan with the water. Heat slowly until the sugar has dissolved. Then add the chilies. Bring to the boil and boil rapidly until the liquid becomes syrupy. Leave to cool. Stir the lime rind and juice into the cooled syrup. Lay the pineapple slices on a plate and drizzle the syrup. Serve chilled with a dollop of ice cream. If they want, they can have a dollop of ice cream. If they don't, they don't need it. And that only took about 1 minute. Well, it takes about 20 minutes to make. So, let's get cooking. Okay, that was so good. I paused it, I ate it, and I'll see you all in the next video. Subscribe, like, share, hit the notification button, and let's get cooking tomorrow.